This is the Mchose GX87 mechanical keyboard with beautiful little switches, but for less than you're used to paying for. Woo! Man, this thing feels expensive, and I know that it's not. Look at this metallic piece on the bottom, which has a texture to it. Here we have our receiver, which fits into the keyboard and actually magnetically. So you can use this with Bluetooth, wired, or the 2.4 gigahertz receiver. It's lighting up with RGB. Woo! I'm gonna bring the microphone closer. And apparently you can remove this faceplate without any tools. If I all of a sudden wanted this sky blue, done. They've even got options for artisan keycaps. I gotta tell you, this exceeded my expectations.